Good morning, dear student. In previous class, I have already finished your poem. So, let us start the next poem, Fire and Ice. This poem also has been written by Robert Frost. And this is the symbolic poem. And in this poem, use the metaphor and personification. Metaphor and personification, it is a figure of speech. In further class, I will discuss figure of speech. But try to understand this poem. I explained this poem line by line. So let us start. Fire and ice. Fire, here is the symbol for desire, passion, want, and ice is the symbol of hatred. Here is we have already said that this is the symbolic poem. So fire represent the desire of human beings, and ice represent the hate of human beings. So let us start this poem line by line. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. From what I wasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Some say the world will end in fire. It means some people said that. Some believe that world will end in fire. It means due to extreme desire of human beings. बहुत ज़्यादा डिज़ायर इच्छा की वजह से भी ये संसार नष्ट हो सकता है. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. Due to your extreme desire, due to your extreme want, this world destroyed. Some say in ice, but some people say that this world destroyed by the ice, यानी hatred. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि आपकी इच्छाओं की वजह से ये संसार नष्ट हो जाएगा, और कुछ लोगों का ये सोचना है, बिलीव करना है कि घृणा की वजह से होगा, नफरत की वजह से होगा. From what I wasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. I also support to that person who favor the fire. मैं उन्हीं लोगों के साथ खड़ा हूँ जो फायर को सपोर्ट करते हैं, जो बहुत ज़्यादा डिज़ायर को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. I hold with those who favor fire, but it had perished twice. But if you think that this world will destroy 2 times, so what happened? One time from desire and one time from hatred. If this world destroyed 2 times, यदि ये संसार 2 बार नष्ट होता है, तो एक बार डिज़ायर की वजह से होगा और एक बार हेट्रेड की वजह से होगा. बट इट हैड पेरिश द ट्वाइस. आई थिंक आई नो इनफ ऑफ हेट. इट मीन्स इनफ इज हेट इज आल्सो इनफ आर सफिस फॉर डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. घृणा भी इनफ है इस संसार को नष्ट करने के लिए. टू से दैट फॉर डिस्ट्रक्शन आइस is also great. It means hate is also great. Ice, the symbol for hate. And would suffice, and would enough. Suffice means enough. So, dear student, this poem is the symbolic poem, and this shows the human emotion, desire and hate, and compare with the desire with the fire, and hate compare with the ice. These two human emotions, due to these two extreme human emotion of hate and desire, this world can be destroyed. You can see the example of Hitler, desire of Hitler. Due to the extreme desire of Hitler's, his world or that world destruct. So summary or central idea of this poem In this poem, Robert Frost refers to two predictions. In this poem, Robert Frost refers to predictions of how the world will destroyed. Two prediction. Prediction means forthcoming, to say about future. Something say about future. Prediction करना, भविष्यवाणी करना. In this poem, Robert Frost refers to predictions of how the world will end. Some says it will end in the fire. Some persons say that this world will end with the fire. It means according to his esteem desire. Due to the esteem desire of the human beings, this world can be destroyed. According to the others people, it will end in ice. And some people believe that this world will destroyed by ice, hatred, घृणा की वजह से. The poets use the metaphor. The poet equates desire with the fire. Here use a figure of speech metaphor and personification also. These are figure of speech. In figure of speech, I will discuss in further class what is the concept of figure of speech and how many figure of speech. In Hindi we can say that alankar. Fire and hatred with ice, both are growing with such a rapid speed. It means desire of human beings and hatred of human beings, both are growing rapid speed. That the world will perish means die. One day will sure this world will die. Either way, in the fire or ice. Either fire, either ice. Either desire or either hate. In scientifically we can also see that fire, it means nowadays global warming, very common scientific factors, so destroy the world. It means due to the global warming, this world also destroyed, and due to the melting of glacier, it means ice, melting of ice or melting of glacier, this world also destroyed. So these are the scientifically meaning, and but here he use the metaphoric and personification. Fire represent to desire of human beings and ice represent to hate of the human beings. So that is enough for today. Next day I will explain next literature parts. Okay.